It's time to take 5. Now you know.
We are here at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center, a Palm Beach Health Network hospital. Today we're speaking with cardiothoracic surgeon Dr. Nishant Patel on the importance of cardiac health and not delaying care. Dr. Patel, you're a cardiothoracic surgeon with a specialty in open heart surgery. Tell us about the types of conditions you treat.
So I'm an open adult cardiac surgeon, which means I operate on the chest. So this includes the heart and what we call the great vessels. So the types of procedures I perform include coronary artery bypass grafting for coronary artery disease, valve replacement and valve repair surgery, as well as surgery to treat aortic aneurysms.
Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center was the first hospital in Palm Beach County and the Treasure Coast to perform open heart surgery in 1983 and has performed close to 19,000 open hearts since. Can you tell us a little bit more about this procedure and what the benefits are?
For coronary artery bypass grafting, that involves bypassing diseased vessels on the heart with what we call arterial conduits, such as the mammary arteries on the inside of the chest, or using vein from the leg or arteries from the arm. And this basically provides blood flow to the heart muscle beyond blockages that have developed over many years. Valve repair, valve replacement surgery can be very beneficial in patients who present with heart failure symptoms. In patients that get treated for aortic aneurysms, those types of operations are basically performed to avoid what we call aortic catastrophe, where the aorta can dilate, rupture, or even tear.
Heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the United States. If someone is experiencing chest pain, shortness of breath, or pains in the arms, back, neck, or jaw, please explain the importance of not delaying care and calling 911.
Patients that present or develop symptoms like chest pain or shortness of breath, especially if these are new symptoms, should seek medical attention quickly, because the outcome of the disease process, or the outcome for the patient, is very dependent on getting timely intervention.
How has the pandemic impacted the patient population you see? And what advice do you have for patients who are fearful of coming to the hospital?
A few months ago, we were seeing a lot of patients that were delaying seeking medical attention when they were developing chest pain at home or shortness of breath. And this led to more complicated treatment algorithms, more complicated surgeries that we have had to perform here at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center to ensure that the patient has a good outcome. Seeking timely medical care, medical attention at a heart center like ours gives patients the best opportunity to have a good outcome. And delaying care, unfortunately, can lead to long-term consequences.
We know Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center has received many awards for cardiovascular care. Can you share any outcome data with us to help someone understand why they should choose Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center?
We have a collective team here that has many years of experience and has seen pretty much every possible heart condition or ailment that one could see.
Tell us about the safety measures the hospital has in place to keep patients safe.
We've been limiting visitation. Every entrance has somebody at that entrance checking temperatures and assessing for symptoms of potential COVID infection. We have rapid testing available for patients that screen that they need it. We have ongoing education for our nursing staff and our OR staff to help prevent transfer, transmission, and potential infection.
Why should a patient choose Palm Beach Gardens Medical for their cardiovascular needs?
There are many programs where patients can receive open heart care, open heart surgery, but this is one of the few that has the technological advancements, the minimally invasive approaches, as well as some of the very high cutting edge equipment that allows us to get the very sickest of patients through open heart surgery.
Thank you, Dr. Patel, for all of this helpful information. We hope everyone understands it is important to take care of your health. And if you're experiencing cardiovascular issues, please do not hesitate to go to the hospital. The doctors, nurses, and staff at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center are there to keep you healthy and safe.